the chairs.
Okay.
Frank's commentator.
Two
Yep.
toxic waste. Or what are they?
Toxic waste, sour candy.
Sour candy.
Toxic waste, hazardly sour candy.
Hazardly sour candy. Look,
Dumbasses.
look.
And 3,
60 seconds.
2, 1. Don't spit it out.
You're gonna throw up. Turn away from me.
You artist.
Turn toward me, Jake. I just need a backup from this. Puke on the chickens. Puke on the chickens.
Don't puke on my chickens. Jake, is that sour?
And he bites into it. We've tortured him long enough, guys. Come on.
Okay.
Frank, answer the phone and just say some random shit. Answer the phone. Oh shit. Too late.
Who is it? Ned's Pizza Service. Yeah, I'm good. Ned's Pizza Service? No, man. Oh. No, ma'am. We strictly do pizzas.
Huh?
I have to poop now.
Hang up when you're done if you just don't want to talk to them anymore. I don't know who it is.
No, man. We're just strictly pizzas. If you want to order